I'd like to tell you about this new free software that pays well and quickly that I've discovered. In fact, they pay out around $8 every 30 seconds. In addition, the profits are virtually unlimited. You're in luck because once you figure it out, you can work from anywhere in the world and still get paid. After watching this video, you'll have an easy way to make money online. But first, before we get started with this detailed guide, I'd like to show you how this app has benefited a large number of its customers. As you can see, there is a large sum of money that has been distributed to their clients in the form of actual cash earnings. Now, this is how the app works. First, download their free program from their website. Second, you'll come across a variety of offerings. Third, you will be compensated. It's fairly easy and the app is completely free. However, there is a common error that many people make. Because of this, they are unable to earn $8 every 30 seconds. So now keep an eye out for details on how to do it correctly. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. The website that I'll be introducing to you is called Ibotta. You may type in your search box ibotta.com, which from there you will be directed to the site's homepage. Ibotta is a free cashback rewards and payments app that pays you with real cash for your everyday purchases when you shop and pay through the app. You can earn cash back on different transactions. It may be in-store shopping or online shopping. It will reimburse you in cash for any purchases you make, whether they are groceries, apparel, gadgets, or wine and beer. Over 35 million people have received over $1 billion in cash incentives from Ibotta since its debut in 2012. The company has also partnered with more than 1,500 famous brands and retailers. This includes Walmart, Sephora, and Domino's Pizza. Ibotta offers users thousands of opportunities to earn cash back on their everyday purchases both in real time or virtually. You can utilize Ibotta on your smartphone. You can get this program from either the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your preference. You can also install a browser extension on your PC or laptop so that anytime you make an online transaction, Ibotta will appear on your screen immediately as a bonus. Now, how does Ibotta's system work? To begin, you must select products from thousands of options available at your favorite merchants such as Walmart, Target, and Amazon, and add them to your shopping list. After that, you should start with Ibotta and continue to shop in-store or online as you normally would. To earn money, simply take a picture of your receipt and then submit it to the app to get cash back on eligible purchases. You can also link your grocery account to your Ibotta account. If you already have accumulated all your cash back from your transactions, you can pay out your earnings immediately to your bank account, PayPal account, or gift card account. It's simple money. Now, I want you to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click on the Affiliates button, which can be found under the Work menu. With the Ibotta Affiliates program, you will have the opportunity to earn extra money by promoting Ibotta offers and promotions on your website or blog in order to generate referrals for the company. So what exactly can you expect from this program? One benefit is that you will receive $2 for each registered referral you make. There are no limits to the number of signups that you can receive from this method, and I can show you how to set it up and get more signups in less than 10 seconds. Another benefit is the use of professional creative materials and high-quality photographs are always available to you. You'll also receive a VIP email with information on new Ibotta deals that you can share publicly. You'll receive detailed reports on your profits, conversion statistics, and more. Apart from that, you'll be rewarded with exciting incentives and exclusive opportunities to earn even more money. There's no need to worry about setting up a website for this, and it doesn't matter if you have 0 Instagram followers, 0 YouTube subscribers, or 0 Facebook likes. I'll show you how to set everything on autopilot for free. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. Now, what I want you to do is click on the Become an Affiliate button right here, and you will be required to fill out the form shown to you to complete your application to become an affiliate. Fill out the boxes provided with your personal information, including your name, active email address, username, and password. For the company information, you may use your full name as the company name if you have no company. For the website, we will use a link that I will introduce later on. This link will be used to generate traffic on autopilot, so copy the URL later and paste it into this box. Continue to fill out the form by typing in your address, phone number, bank location, and the currency that you are using. And don't miss out on answering questions under promotional methods and media properties. After which you will be presented with the agreement as an affiliate. Once done reading, click the small box below as a verification that you accept the terms and conditions of the company, and then click Submit Application. A special referral link will be given to you when your application is accepted, and you can share it with others. When someone clicks on it and they've registered, you will receive $2 for each registration, and they will be directed to a page where they can get the app for free and start saving money and earning a profit. Another thing here in Ibotta, if you recommend someone to use Ibotta using your referral link and they download a browser extension to their computer or laptop, you will be compensated $2 for each registration that results from your referral. Even if users use your referral link to download the Ibotta app on any smartphone, you'll receive $2 reward for each new user who signs up. The fact that you can make loads of money simply by encouraging someone to sign up for this free program is a no-brainer. Actually, referring people to this platform is a lot less difficult than forcing them to purchase something through an affiliate link or sign up for some type of compensated offer or whatever else you want to do. There are numerous benefits and opportunities to save money from using this software, and it is entirely free to use. Now, I'm going to show you the traffic source for your referral link. This will also be the website that you will be using to put in your Ibotta application. Just copy the link of this site. If you want to market your referral link, you can do so on any social media platform you like. This includes Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube, and other similar sites. However, I'm going to use trendy.com and find a lot of people who are interested in earning money online while also saving money. Trendy is a make money community that offers a variety of services like paid survey forums, affiliate marketing forums, business, internet marketing forums, and investment forums, and more. So as you can see here, this platform has lots of forums in different categories, one of which we have money making, cryptocurrency, and even real estate. Now, I want you to click on this Make Money forum right here. On the next page, you will be able to see threads about making money, and if you register on this platform, you will also be able to create and post threads, and thousands of people will be able to read your posts. Putting a referral link on Trendy will take you less than 10 seconds, and the more of them you publish, the more signups you will receive, even if they are all in one thread. As a result, you will receive $2 for each new signup from using your referral link. It is as simple as that. This technique can be repeated in different ways. As earlier mentioned, you can share it with different Facebook groups that are concerned with making money, saving money, and coupons. It is likely that millions of people are interested in that. After all, who doesn't want to save money for free while also earning money? And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.